Hello guys, this is your boy Lee Solanki and today we'll be talking about my first year of engineering and all the things that I did during my first year. This video would help you understand what are the things that you can avoid doing and what are the things that you should actually focus on. So my first year of engineering was full of ups and downs and I don't regret any of it. I learned a lot of things during this period, and even though I wasn't an expert on many of the things, I participated in almost all the activities that I could get my hands on. Now, I agree, I made a complete fool of myself in some of the activities, whereas in some, I realized that I was way better than I expected. But nonetheless, I learned a lot, and that's actually what matters in the end. The first activity that almost all the colleges have is the icebreakers. It is basically there for the first year people to help break the ice and interact with other branches as well. In short, you have different branches competing with each other, and sometimes you have prizes for the same. Now, this is a great way to form new connections and start befriending people from your college. Now, I had done a stand up comedy in my icebreakers, but it was so bad that it eventually turned out to be good. So that's why it doesn't matter if you're good at something or not. What matters is your willingness to get out of your comfort zone and do things that you normally wouldn't. After this, the next exciting thing that would happen once you get into your college is the freshers party. There are mostly two freshers event at every college, the official and the unofficial one. The official one is of course conducted by the college itself and it's the most boring thing ever. However, the unofficial freshers which is organized by your seniors is something that you all should go to because that's where you'll be able to party your heart out. During our time, we had one of the best unofficial freshers, hands down. After that comes the interbranch or inter-college shield events. Usually, it's not just one event, but rather a group of events through which your college or your branch is given points on. There are various categories in it like sports, tech, debates, and whatnot. For those of you who don't know this, I love playing football, so yes, I took part in it, but unfortunately, we couldn't make it past the semis. Also, there would be many hackathons happening in your college or even in other colleges. Please try to take part in them. For those of you who don't know what a hackathon is, hackathons are basically 24 to 48-hour long events in which you and your team develop solutions in the form of a web app or a mobile app for the problem statements given at the event itself. Now, I know it might be sounding something which is not suitable for the first year students, but the people conducting the hackathons are very helpful and you can even form connections with them. Of course, you need some kind of programming knowledge beforehand, but the main part is you should be curious and also willing to learn. Other than that, there are some ethical practices that you need to follow once you're at a hackathon. But you can search it up online. I wouldn't be going deep into it in this video. So for me, I participated in a hackathon that was conducted at KJ Somaya itself with three of my friends. To our surprise, we were the only first year students there. We couldn't make it to the top 10 teams, but even being selected was a big thing for us. Still, we had a lot of fun and learnt a lot too. I wanted to make a vlog out of it, but I couldn't because we had a lot of coding to do at the venue and we got super busy at it. But nonetheless, here are some of the pictures of the hackathon. After that, in December, we went on a college trip to Rajasthan. Now, as this was in the winters, so it was already pretty cold in Mumbai. And when we traveled to Rajasthan, the temperatures dropped to around 0 degrees Celsius. We, being Mumbaikars, actually weren't used to such cold temperatures, and that's why I was wearing 5 to 6 sets of sweaters all the time. This was a 9-day long trip in which we covered almost the whole of Rajasthan. After this was our cultural fest, Symphony. I don't know why they decided that Symphony would be the best choice for a college cultural fest. Nevertheless, it was pretty awesome. Other than that, I also took part in a dance competition in my college. Luckily, we ended up in the second position, but more than that, I got to spend time with my seniors and learned a lot from them. Oh, before I forget, I also took part in a talent hunt competition in which I did some raw rapping.
Yeah. Hey. बोलूं तो बोलूं क्या मेरे बारे में, बातों में दम पर नहीं, आवाज में पतली स्टोन, पल्ला सा फिकर है भारी है जोश, कभी ना रुका मैं फ्लो मेरा सुन, टूटे ना बीच में सबसे मैं हटकर सबसे अलग मैं काम को सुन, रखा क्या नाम मैं बोलो तो बोलो सब मेरे साथ में करूँगी आवाज तू इससे ना डर तू ना सुन तू करूँगी आवाज तू करूँगी आवाज तू इससे ना डर तू किसी का ना सुन तू करूँगी आवाज.
And this was my first experience with it. I don't even know how, but I won the competition and was declared as Mr. Somaya. Then came the most interesting part of my first year, and that was my end sem exams. I luckily passed all of them, and if you want to know about my grades and stuff, you can check this video out. Then came COVID, and from that time onwards, I'm right at my home. But with so much time on my hands, I started to pursue things that I always wanted to but never had the time for it. And yes, YouTube is one of them. If you've been a subscriber of this channel since a very long time, you already know how it's going. Other than that, I also did some work from home internships, made a couple of apps, and slept a lot. The first internship was in the field of marketing, which of course isn't what I'm studying for in my college. So it was something out of my comfort zone and helped me broaden my perspective with what it's like out there. So in short, the one thing that I learned from my first year in college is that take all the risks and fail as much as you can in your college itself, so that once you're out there, you'll have ton of experience with you. So if you're still watching this video, it means you've liked it. So please press the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more such content. Ali Solanki signing off.